आसिफ, मोहम्मद उवैस, मोहम्मद सुहैब, मोहम्मद औरंगजेब, Thank you so much, Maulana Jamshid Ali Qasmi, for presenting the awards and the certification. Now I would like to request our beloved teacher and a remarkable preacher of dissemination of Islam. I would like to request with lots of Maulana Sajjad Qasmi to present the awards of our students. Mohammad Sarfaraz, Mohammad Nafis, Mohammad Luqman, Mohammad Ansar, Salim Zafar, Mohammad Asif, Shujaul Haq, Gohar Nabi, Mr. Gohar Nabi, Sajid Khan, Mohammad Saqib,